Now we can move forward to FM, the finance and management. And so, like, you are from the BTech background. So, was
Yeah.
it like troublesome for you when you heard that finance and management is coming, like it is an important part of the RBI exam?
Initially, I was actually skeptical of this paper, but my friend, he works in EduTap. I don't want to take his name. He said that it's not that difficult, but F&M, even non-finance graduates also can easily make through if you have the basic knowledge of economics. So I started studying the topics which are mentioned in the finance and management syllabus. So management was completely new to me. Finance, few of the things I knew. So management was one of the what you can say was my weak point because I did not prepare that much. So after my during I think just before my prelims I started preparing for management just 1 month back before the prelims. So I just gave some 10-15 days. So I did not have much time, so I completely focused on EduTap's materials for both the finance and management. Apart from that, I don't think so I have done anything else apart from EduTap's finance and management. I think management, everybody should start focusing immediately on management because it is very high scoring subject. There are limited topics and definite questions. So I think, yeah, management, you can refer to EduTap's blindly, finance and management topics.